Warm greetings to all. I'm your host for today, a tech enthusiast who enjoys breaking down complex concepts into simple terms. Welcome to our hub of tech wisdom, where we unravel the mysteries of the digital world one bite at a time. Our mission: to make tech knowledge accessible to everyone, from curious beginners to seasoned experts. Today, we embark on a captivating journey into the realms of data science and machine learning. So buckle up as we demystify these two popular buzzwords. So, first things first, what is data science? It's a term that's been buzzing around for a while now, but let's break it down in a way that's easy to grasp. Imagine you're a detective, and your case revolves around a mountain of seemingly unrelated clues. Just like a detective, a data scientist sifts through this mountain. Only in their case, it's a mountain of data. Data science is about extracting valuable insights and knowledge from that data mountain. But it's not just about the extraction. It's also about understanding and interpreting the data in a way that can be used to make informed decisions. It's about finding patterns, predicting trends, and creating strategies based on those findings. Let's use an analogy to make this a bit more relatable. Think of data as the stars in the night sky. To the untrained eye, they might just look like random points of light. But to an astronomer, those stars can tell a story. They can reveal the age of the universe, the life cycle of stars, even the existence of other planets. Similarly, to a data scientist, data isn't just numbers or stats. It's a story waiting to be told. It's about finding the narrative within the numbers, the insights within the information. In essence, data science is about making sense of the data and using it to create actionable insights. It's about turning information into knowledge and knowledge into power. Now that we understand what data science is, let's delve into why it's so important. Data science is like a compass in the vast ocean of information. It guides us, helping us make sense of the colossal amounts of data generated every day. Without it, we'd be lost in a sea of data, unable to harness its potential. Let's take a look at some industries that rely heavily on data science. Healthcare, for instance, uses data science to predict disease outbreaks, improve patient care, and even discover new treatments. By analyzing patient data, doctors can make more accurate diagnoses and provide personalized treatment plans. In the finance sector, data science is used to predict market trends, manage risks, and detect fraudulent activities. Banks can analyze customer behavior to offer personalized services and products, improving customer satisfaction and loyalty. Technology companies use data science to improve their products and services. For example, streaming services use data science to recommend shows and movies based on a user's viewing history. This personalized experience keeps users engaged and coming back for more. But it's not just these industries. From agriculture to education, data science is transforming every sector. It's helping farmers predict weather patterns for better crop yield. It's assisting teachers in identifying students who might need extra help. The possibilities are endless. One of the most significant impacts of data science is data-driven decision-making. Businesses no longer have to rely solely on intuition or experience. They can now make decisions based on hard data, reducing risks and increasing efficiency. It's like having a crystal ball that can predict the future. Well, almost. Data science is also creating new job opportunities. The demand for data scientists and analysts is skyrocketing. Companies are looking for people who can turn data into actionable insights. So not only is data science important for businesses, but it's also providing exciting career opportunities. Therefore, data science has become an integral part of many industries and our daily lives. Its importance can't be overstated. It's the key to unlocking the power of data. And as we move further into the information age, its role will only continue to grow. Now let's pivot to another fascinating topic: machine learning. Just as a child learns from experiences, machine learning, or ML, is all about enabling computers to learn from data. It's like teaching a toddler to identify fruits. You show them several apples and say, "This is an apple." With enough repetition, the child learns to recognize an apple. Machine learning works on a similar principle, but with data instead of apples. Machine learning is a subset of data science. While data science is the broad umbrella under which many disciplines lie, machine learning hones in on creating algorithms that can learn from and make decisions or predictions based on data. It's like the brain of data science, interpreting and learning from the information it's fed. Think about your favorite music streaming service. Ever wondered how it seems to know just the right song to play next? That's machine learning at work. It learns from your listening habits and preferences to curate a personalized playlist. Or consider voice assistants like Siri or Alexa. They're trained using machine learning to understand and respond to your commands. So, machine learning is all about making computers learn from data, much like how we humans learn from our experiences. It's the magic that powers many technologies you use every day, transforming the way we live, work, and play. A fascinating field, isn't it? Let's dive deeper into what machine learning really is. In the simplest terms, machine learning, often abbreviated as ML, is a field of study that gives computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. It's like teaching your computer to fish rather than feeding it fish. How does this differ from traditional programming, you ask? Well, traditional programming is a lot like baking a cake with a recipe. You have a specific set of instructions and you follow them to get a predictable outcome. But in machine learning, it's more like teaching a child to bake. You can provide guidance and examples, but the child learns to adapt and improve through practice and experience. And just like that child, a machine learning model gets better at its task over time. Now, what's the secret ingredient to this learning process? It's data. Lots and lots of data. The more data we feed these machine learning models, the better they get at recognizing patterns and making accurate predictions. Data is to machine learning what flour is to baking. Without it, you're not going to get very far. So, in essence, machine learning is not about programming machines to do tasks, but rather about building algorithms that can learn from and make decisions based on data. Hence, machine learning is all about teaching computers to learn patterns and make decisions based on the data they are fed. Let's make this more concrete with some real-world examples. Machine learning, though a complex field, is already deeply integrated into our everyday lives. Take image recognition, for instance. When you upload a photo to your favorite social media platform and it suggests tagging your friends, you're witnessing machine learning in action. The platform uses an algorithm that's been trained on countless photos to identify and recognize faces. Next, consider spam filtering. Have you ever wondered how your email service knows which messages to mark as spam? Machine learning is at work here too. Algorithms are trained on millions of emails to recognize the characteristics of spam, and they get better with each new email they process. Finally, let's look at self-driving cars, one of the most exciting applications of machine learning. These vehicles are equipped with sensors and cameras that generate massive amounts of data. Machine learning algorithms process this data, enabling the car to recognize objects, interpret traffic signals, and make decisions in real time. So whether it's recognizing a friend's face in a photo, filtering out that annoying spam, or even driving a car, machine learning is behind the scenes, making it all possible. These examples show how machine learning is already making our lives easier and more efficient. If all this sounds exciting to you, you might be wondering, where do I start? Well, the good news is that the world of data science and machine learning is vast, and there are plenty of resources available to help you navigate it. You could start with online courses. There are many platforms that offer comprehensive courses tailored for beginners. Websites like Coursera, edX, and even YouTube have a wealth of information waiting to be explored. Books are also a great resource. Titles like Data Science for Dummies and Python for Data Analysis are great for helping you grasp the basics. Online communities such as Stack Overflow and GitHub are also invaluable. They're full of people who are also learning, as well as experts who are more than happy to help you out. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. So, start your journey and keep learning. That's it for today's introduction to data science and machine learning. We appreciate you taking the time to join us on this journey of discovery. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on more content like this. We'd love to hear from you too. What topics would you like us to cover in the future? Your input is invaluable in curating our content. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep exploring.